How to add beneficiary to Citi Bank. To add a beneficiary to your Citi Bank account, follow these steps. Go to the Citi Bank website and log in to your online banking account. Once logged in, find the Payments and Transfers option, usually under the main menu. Under the Payments and Transfers section, look for the option to add a payee. Go to Select Desired option and click Add Other Bank Payee option. Enter beneficiary details. Enter beneficiary account name. Enter IFSC code. Now it's showing your beneficiary branch, check correct or not. Now fill all details. Check all details. Click on One-Time Password. Enter OTP. Entering a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered phone. Your beneficiary is successfully added. For specific details, it's best to check with Citibank's customer support, as steps may vary slightly by region. Thanks for watching.